Another phone and another controversy on whether Samsung is faking the moon images, as it is too good to be true, but there are some technical aspects you need to look at before forming an opinion. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe. This controversy started again where a guy claims that Samsung is faking the moon images on Reddit, where he downloaded the image from Google, then resized the image to 170 into 170 pixels and applied the Gaussian blur. And after that, he turned off the lights and taken the image from it. And Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra gives the best possible image with less noise and clear image. And according to him, the image was fake. But that is not true, where Samsung explained everything in detail about its moon photography, as this all happens because of AI algorithm kicks in. And every other phone like Apple and Google do this AI thing to improve the mobile photography. Even some people just use Gcam to use that AI processing from Google. And it is totally not true that Samsung put another image on top of moon image, just like what Huawei was accused of in the past. Let me know in the comments, what is your opinion on this controversy? Is it real or fake? Little bit of backstory how Samsung do moon photos, where first it checks moon detail improvement engine is required or not, then second it take multiple photos and then put those photos in one single shot which is bright and have less noise. Things didn't stop here. Even after doing these all steps, Samsung also put detail enhancement technology at the final stage to remove noise and maximize the details to make it bright and clear. When the picture is taken, it will go into AI model and then it goes through neural network to improve the image and remove noise. So if we put things in perspective, Samsung is in fact taking real images and applying AI effects on it to make it more appealing to the eye. If you own S23 Ultra, then I have a good news for you, as Samsung is planning to give a big software update to the S23 series, and that update will be more focused on cameras of the S23 Ultra. Although if you are updating your S23 Ultra, you already get 2 security updates, and if you didn't check, then check the Feb and then March security update on your S23 Ultra, which will fix a couple of bugs on your S23 Ultra. If you guys want to see the display issue on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.